So we were learning about the if-else statement and how to tell the computer if something is true, do this, else do that. But what if I have more than one condition to be met? What if I want to write a code that does this? If the condition A is greater than B is true, it prints greater. If the condition A is equal to B is true, it prints equal. Otherwise, it prints less. We can use the Elif statement to do this. Elif is just short for else if. The Elif statement comes under the if, and it can be used in the same command to add more conditions. So in this case, I could write the following code. If A is greater than B, print greater. Elif, A is equal to B, print equal. Else, print less. You can add as many elifs and conditions as you want inside the code. Here, I just used one elif. As you can see, the elif has to come after the if and before the else. That means that your statement always needs to begin with an if and end with an else statement. This is the syntax for the Elif statement. If test expression, write the statement. Elif test expression, write the statement, and so on. Notice that you must use colons and indentations with the Elif statement as well. Now there is a challenge activity for you to try out with the Elif statement in the next article. It's only a bit of a challenge because I won't guide you through the whole thing, but you can do it.